Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of BlackLine Financial Close Management. So this video will have everything you need to know for efficient financial reporting with the use of BlackLine Financial Close Management. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here to reach this landing page, all you have to do is type in blackline.com or search for BlackLine Financial Close Management, and you should be able to see their link on the first few top results on Google. And then from this landing page, you can already schedule a demo. There is no actual direct sign up page actually. So you're going to have to fill in your details and then request for a personalized demo. So after filling in the details, they will schedule an initial meeting to discuss your goals in detail so that the demo will be more personalized, and then you should be ready for a personalized product demo with one of their representatives after a while. So after you filled in your details, just wait for them to reach out, and then you'll have your initial meeting before the actual demo. So once that's done, then you might be able to proceed to their actual software. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on what we can find out about financial close management under BlackLine just with their website. So here, we're going to start with what their key features are. But before that, BlackLine Financial Close Management is basically a cloud-based software designed to streamline and automate accounting processes during the financial close. It provides tools for greater accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. So here we have the actual key features of BlackLine Financial Close Management, starting with task management. Under task management, basically you're allowed to track and manage close tasks across teams. It has real-time dashboards and status updates, as well as integration with ERP systems for better coordination. You can learn more about task management here. So we'll try to open this in a new tab. And here with task management, you'll conduct your financial close like a boss. And then there's also another link to their scheduled demo right there. Task management features. You have a preview of how the dashboard looks like under analytics. So here, task certification status, task progress by category. So it's very, the data presented is very organized. You can see how well tracked everything is, and everything is updated in real time, and of course with utmost accuracy. So that's for task management. And then moving on to the next key feature, we have the transaction matching. Now, transaction matching basically automates the matching of high volume transactions such as bank, credit card, or intercompany transactions. It also has real-time matching and exception identification. Now, with transaction matching, you can ingest high volumes of transaction level data from multiple systems such as ERPs, banks, payroll providers, revenue, leased accounting, and procurement. You can also automatically compare and match transactions so employees can focus their time on anomalies and exceptions. It also helps in populating the supporting of transactional details for journal entries and reconciliations automatically, and with the use of standardization and automation to enhance and normalize your data, reducing process breakdowns and preventing undetected financial statement errors. Now here we have a bunch of previews for transaction matching, although the images are a bit blurry, so we're not going to be able to show that in full detail, but let's try to check what they have under Explore Transaction Matching. Here you can reduce risk and efficiently auto-match mountains of data with transaction matching. The value of transaction matching, 70% of manual effort automated, 99% of transactions automatically matched every period, with 379% ROI as reported by Red Wing Shoes. All right, so here at least we can see a more visible preview of transaction matching. You can improve productivity and increase efficiency, spending less time matching transactions and more time on critical work like reviewing open items and exception handling. This also allows for automation of the matching of millions of transactions in minutes, including complex scenarios like one-to-many and many-to-many relationships. Maximize accuracy and enhance control, protectively mitigating risks and avoiding human error with configurable rules that add consistency and rigor to matching. It also helps automate your workflow and drive standardization and user control at scale. Exceptions are automatically flagged and matches are suggested to users for review. It also empowers transparency and adopt leading practices. So you can gain visibility into matching status, including recommended matches and identified exceptions across your entire organization, tracking every transaction with real-time dashboards to review matching status, unreconciled and open items, and access a detailed audit trail. All right, so that's for transaction matching. We're going to head back to our main page, moving on to journal entry or journal entry management, where centralized preparation, review, and approval of journal entries are included, as well as automation of recurring journal entries and the integration with ERP systems to reduce duplication of effort, eliminating cumbersome, error-prone, spreadsheet-dependent manual journey entry processes while automatically creating journal entries and posting them directly to your ERP. Also mitigates risk, proactively using account validations and threshold-based approvals to ensure regulatory compliance. And it also facilitates more efficient auditor reviews with a trail that documents data imports, journal postings, and user access. So to further explore on journal entry, let's try to open their Explore Journal Entry here, where you can evolve beyond error-ridden, time-sapping journal entry processes. The value of journal entry, again at 379% ROI, with 97% of journal entries being automated. So the main features of journal entry include a centralized and automated process where you can easily track, review, and approve journal entries with clear visibility into every step of the process. It also helps systematize transactions and auto-certify reasonable entries with configurable rules and dynamic workflows such as routing for approvals based on amount thresholds and rules. You can also enhance collaboration and audit readiness with a centralizing of the posting of journal entries for more than 40 ERP and financial systems, allowing your team to view and manage all data and sharing permissions from a single platform. So with numerous amounts of data, it's always essential or it's always beneficial for the entire team to have immediate access to it in a single platform where everything is just updated in real time. And then finally, you can modernize and mobilize the journal entry, wherein you can access, review, and approve journal entries from wherever you are. So moving back, that's for journal entry. And then there's also account reconciliations, where you have access to automated reconciliation of balance sheet accounts with a centralized platform for tracking, validating, and approving reconciliations, as well as built-in templates and rule-based workflows to reduce manual work. If you want to check that further, again, just click on Explore Account Reconciliation. So right here, you have the main features of account reconciliations. So you can streamline your reconciliation processes, improve reporting and accounting integrity, as well as enhance visibility and increase agility. And then there's also account analysis. Now for account analysis, or some may say variance analysis, it has real-time insights into fluctuations in accounts, as well as helping identify anomalies and trends quickly. So for more info on that, just check out their Explore option. where they have other features for account analysis, such as enhancing workflow and drive strategic insights, optimizing team capacity, and improving user experience, as well as data integrity and transparency. Now, for the last bit, the smart close for SAP, where you can limit manual touchpoints and enable exception-based close management while coordinating processes from corporate headquarters to local entities to ensure global consistency with local flexibility. And then with the use of their centralized platform to facilitate a seamless and continuous close process with a great user experience directly in SAP. So again, for more info on that, we have the SAP Financial Close Automation here, wherein you can automate manual tasks and empower higher value work, enable real-time visibility into standardized processes, and improve productivity with enhanced user experience. So those are the main, or rather the key features of BlackLine and everything you need to know before you get started with their software. If you wish to schedule a demo with them so you can get started with an account for their software, then feel free to follow their process or the prompts in the schedule a demo button. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.